Ever feel like your money disappears the second it hits your business account? You make a sale, the balance goes up, and then poof, it's gone. Bills, tax, stock, rent, tools. Suddenly, you're right back at square one. Here's a truth that most business owners never learn. It's not about how much you make, it's about what you keep and where you park it. So what's envelope budgeting for business? Imagine dividing your money into buckets for specific purposes before you spend a single cent. Street smart entrepreneurs swear by this. There's no spreadsheet wizardry, no confusing jargon, just control. Why does traditional budgeting fail us? Because it only tells you where your money went. Envelope budgeting lets you tell your money where to go before it leaves. That means no more overspending, no more can I afford this, panic, and your business cash flow stays rock solid. Let's lock in this new mindset. I am in control of every dollar my business earns. So, how do you start? Here are 5 steps to street smart envelope budgeting. Step 1, open multiple bank accounts or use jars. Label them for your business needs. Profit first, tax bucket, tools and upgrades, bills and overheads, and my pay. Step 2, choose your percentage split. For example, tax, 20%, profit, 10%, tools, 10%, bills, 40%, emergency, 10%, owner's draw, 10%. Step 3, automate your money flow. Use your bank or apps like Zapier to move cash into each envelope weekly. Step 4, only spend from the right envelope. Need new tools? Use the tools envelope. If it's empty, you wait. That's your new discipline. Step 5, review your envelopes every month. Are you on target? Is your tax bucket building up? Are you paying yourself? Now, a few secret tips most people don't know. Rename your tax account to something emotional, like ATO Time Bomb. You'll think twice before touching it. Use a debit card tied only to your bills envelope. Hide 80% of your cash in separate accounts. Gamify your profit. Try to grow your profit envelope by 10% every month. And add a freedom fund. Put 10% of each payment into it. That's your future leverage. Real world examples. One student realized rent and subscriptions took 30% of their income, so they set up a bills account and started setting money aside weekly. A solo trader used to pay himself whatever was left, but after automating 10% to my pay, he saved enough for a real holiday in 3 months. A digital marketer made a tax bucket and now feels calm, even during BS season. Businesses don't die because they don't sell enough. They fail because they don't protect their cash. Envelope budgeting gives you control. What if one small money tweak could remove 90% of your stress? Ready to think like a business ninja? Start here. Unlock total control of your cash. Stop leaking profits. Start paying yourself first.